So Fagans National Museum Wales is a family of 7 museums across Wales that includes really strong Welsh national brands such as Big Pit National Coal Museum and some Fagans National History Museum. In terms of digital, we reach a huge variety of audiences via our website, by social media, projects such as People's Collection Wales, and via experiences that are quite immersive across our sites. So we switched to a .wales domain in June 2016 as part of the Founders Programme with Nominet. And this was at the end of a 2-year redesign of our website, which was a huge project for us. So it made sense for us at that point to transfer to the .wales to help us with marketing and raising the profile of our website. So as a large national organisation in Wales, it really made sense for us to adopt the .wales and .cymru domains for our website. They reinforce our cultural identity and work well with our bilingual platforms in Wales. But also it helps that we're consistent with other public services in Wales. So that strengthens Wales's brand globally as well.